Introduction to the Internet. First, let's start learning objectives. To understand the Internet, to learn about the uses of the Internet, to know the requirements of an Internet connection, to learn commonly used Internet terms, to understand the advantages and disadvantages of the Internet. Internet. The Internet is a vast network that connects computers worldwide, enabling us to share information, news, and communicate with people across the globe. It has become an integral part of our daily lives, offering a wide range of applications and services. Uses of the Internet. The Internet serves various purposes, making our lives easier and more convenient. Some common uses include education. Students can access educational resources, research materials, and online courses, enhancing their learning experiences. Communication. We can connect with friends and family through emails, social media platforms, and video calls, regardless of geographical boundaries. Information retrieval. The Internet is a treasure trove of information, allowing us to search for and find information on any topic of interest. E-commerce. We can buy and sell products and services online, book tickets and pay bills all from the comfort of our homes. Entertainment. The Internet offers a plethora of entertainment options, including music, movies, games, and streaming services. Requirement for an Internet connection. To access the Internet, you need the following: computer or laptop, a device to connect to Internet. Modem, a device that helps establish the connection between a computer and the Internet. Internet service provider, a company that provides Internet access such as Airtel, Jio, Vi, or BSNL. Telephone line or cable, a physical connection to transmit data between the modem and the ISP. Web browser, software like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, or Microsoft Edge to view web pages. Internet terms. Some essential Internet terms are World Wide Web, also called as WWW, a vast collection of information on the Internet, including text, images, videos, and audio. Web page, a single document on the WWW containing text, images, links to other web pages. Website, a collection of related web pages usually belonging to a particular organization or individual. Home page, the main page of a website, often serving as an entry point to other pages. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, the unique address of a web page or website used to locate it on the Internet. For example, https://www.google.com. Web browser. A web browser is a software application used to access and view web pages. Popular web browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Let's learn about the disadvantages of the Internet. While the Internet offers numerous benefits, it's important to be aware of its potential drawbacks. First, virus threats. Computers connected to the Internet are vulnerable to viruses and malware, which can harm the system and data. Hacking. Personal information and sensitive data can be stolen by hackers, posing a threat to privacy and security. Time consumption. Excessive Internet usage can lead to addiction and time wastage, affecting productivity and personal well-being. Health issues. Prolonged screen time can cause eye strain, headaches, and other health problems. Isolation. Spending too much time online can lead to social isolation and disconnect from the real world. Now, let's get into the chapter summary. The Internet is a global network connecting computers to share information and communicate. It is used for education, communication, information retrieval, e-commerce, and entertainment. To access the Internet, you need a computer, modem, ISP, telephone line or cable, and a web browser. The World Wide Web is a vast collection of information on the Internet. Websites and web pages are accessed through URLs and viewed using web browsers. The Internet has disadvantages such as virus threats, hacking, time consumption, health issues, and social isolation. Understanding the advantages and disadvantages of internet helps us to use it wisely. Thank you.